Welcome to Tronify Tech, your home for genius car gadgets that don't break the bank. Today, we're checking out 20 insanely useful car upgrades from Temu, all cheap, clever, and guaranteed to make every drive smoother, smarter, and safer. Hit subscribe, buckle up, and let's dive right in. Car Anti-Theft Vibration Alarm. Ever park your car and feel that tiny panic of, what if someone tries something? This little gadget kills that worry. It's a wireless anti-theft vibration alarm that senses even the slightest bump. The moment someone touches or shakes your car, it screams with a 108 decibel siren and flashes a red warning light that says, "Step back." You control everything from a compact remote, arming or disarming it in seconds. No wiring, no setup headaches, just peel, stick, and protect. Whether it's your car, bike, or RV, this thing is like having a bodyguard on standby 24/7. Rear view mirror dash cam. Your rear view mirror just leveled up. This sleek mirror dash cam gives you 1296p clarity, front and rear, with GPS tracking and voice control built in. Say start recording and it obeys instantly. It records day and night with WDR. Tech, no glare, no ghosting, and the parking mode even keeps watch while you're away. Plus, you can view your footage straight from your phone through Wi-Fi. No messy cables. No guessing who bumped your car. It's like having eyes that never blink. Wireless rechargeable car. Waxing machine. Still waxing your car by hand? That's ancient history. This wireless car waxing machine gives your ride a pro-grade shine without breaking a sweat. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and spins at high speed to buff out scratches and swirl marks in minutes. Use it for polishing, waxing, or quick touch-ups anywhere, anytime. No cords, no outlets, just charge it and go. Upgraded model for Tesla magnetic car holder. Meet the next-gen magnetic car holder, sleek, smart, and built for every ride, not just Teslas. This upgraded model locks your phone in place using military-grade magnets that don't budge even on the roughest roads. Rotate it, tilt it, or mount it anywhere dash, air vent, console your choice. It looks minimal, holds like glue, and pops off in one smooth motion. Car diffuser. Humidifier, long drives with dry air, no more. This USB-powered car diffuser keeps your cabin feeling fresh and hydrated. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and it fills the air with cool mist that smells amazing. The soft ambient light gives your car that chill, premium vibe, perfect for night drives or early morning commutes. It's compact, spill-proof, and fits right into your cup holder. Plug it in, breathe deep, and turn every ride into a mini spa session. EAFC. Car wash, brush mop, still using a tiny sponge to wash your car? Upgrade your game. The EAFC car wash mop gives you a long, extendable handle with a soft microfiber head that reaches every inch roof, windows, wheels, you name it. The 15-degree curve design means no bending, no stretching, no back pain. The replaceable mop head grabs dirt and grime like a magnet without scratching your paint. Lightweight, sturdy, and built to last, it's your new weekend wash buddy. Clean faster, shine better, and keep your ride spotless with half the effort. High-pressure car wash foam pot. Forget those weak spray bottles that barely reach the door handle. This high-pressure foam pot turns any wash into a detailer's dream. Just fill it with soap and water, pump it up, and unleash a thick, even layer of foam that melts dirt right off. It's handheld, cordless, and adjustable, so you control the power and pressure. Perfect for washing cars, bikes, patios, even windows. Bright LED work lights. Stuck fixing something under the hood at night? You'll love this! These 2,500 lumen LED work lights pack serious brightness in a compact rechargeable design. The magnetic base and hooks let you stick or hang it anywhere under the bonnet, garage wall, or even the trunk lid. It's got a 5,200 mAh battery, adjustable brightness, and a body tough enough for real work. TIANQIN car side window. Mesh, insulation, hot sun, nosy neighbors, and mosquitoes, solved in one move. The TIANQIN mesh window insulation stretches over your side windows like a soft sleeve. It blocks UV rays, keeps bugs out, and gives you instant privacy and shade without blocking airflow. Perfect for road trips, camping, or car naps. The elastic fabric fits most cars and stays put even when the windows are down. LAMTTO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. If you think regular dash cams are smart, wait till you see this beast. The LAMTTO 360-degree dash cam captures everything front, back, inside, and sides in crystal clear HD. That's total coverage from 4 cameras with 5G Wi-Fi, night vision, and parking monitoring built in. You can view every angle right from your phone app. Plus, it even comes with a 128GB SD card ready to roll. Rotatable vacuum. Magnetic car phone holder. Say goodbye to falling mounts and cluttered dashboards. This 360-degree rotatable magnetic holder keeps your phone rock solid using a vacuum suction base and powerful magnetic grip. It sticks to almost any surface, dash, windshield, console, and holds everything from iPhones to tablets. Adjust the angle, rotate it, lock it. Your screen stays exactly where you want it. Perfect for navigation, calls, or streaming your playlist on the go. One tap to mount, one twist to adjust. Simple, strong, stylish. Cordless pressure washer. Ever wish you could blast away dirt anywhere, no hose, no cords? This cordless pressure washer is your new best friend. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and sprays with serious force, turning a regular bucket of water into a high-pressure cleaner. Attach the foam cannon, and boom, instant car wash mode. Perfect for cleaning wheels, grills, driveways, even garden tools. With its long battery life and easy trigger handle, you'll wonder how you ever washed without it. Portable, powerful, and perfectly Temu priced. Carsun digital tire inflator. Flat tire? No panic, no sweat. The Carsun digital tire inflator is your pocket-sized roadside hero. Just plug it into your 12-volt socket, set your desired PSI, and it inflates automatically, then shuts off the moment it's done. It's compact, fast, and displays real-time pressure on a bright digital screen. Built tough for cars, bikes, and motorcycles, it even includes a LED flashlight for those late-night emergencies. Forget gas station air pumps, this one rides with you everywhere. Portable, colorful mist car aromatherapy diffuser. Who says car air fresheners have to be boring? This colorful mist diffuser doesn't just smell great, it looks incredible too. Plug it in and it fills your cabin with a gentle, refreshing mist while glowing with smooth, ambient colors. The auto shut-off feature keeps things safe, and the design fits perfectly in your cup holder. Whether it's calming lavender or that new car scent, this diffuser turns your car into a rolling relaxation zone. Drive fresh, drive chill. Ultra cooling car seat cushion. Hot seats on summer drives? Problem solved. This ultra cooling seat cushion drops your seat temperature by up to 18 degrees Celsius in seconds. It's powered by a 360-degree turbo fan system that keeps air flowing through the seat, keeping you cool even on the hottest days. Ergonomic support, soft padding, and whisper quiet operation make every drive feel like first class. Plug it into your 12-volt port and say goodbye to sweaty commutes forever. Stay cool, stay focused, and enjoy every mile. 15 gadgets down, 5 left to transform your car completely. Multi-pocket universal car seat organizer. If your back seat looks like a snack graveyard or gadget jungle, this one's for you. The multi-pocket car seat organizer turns chaos into order in seconds. It straps easily onto the seat and gives you dedicated pockets for tablets, drinks, chargers, toys, even tissues. Built from durable, waterproof material, it stays sturdy even on bumpy roads. And with its sleek design, your car instantly looks cleaner and more organized. Perfect for family trips, ride shares, or anyone who loves a clutter-free ride. 3-socket car plug adapter. Too many devices, not enough ports? Meet your power hub. The 3-socket car plug adapter splits your cigarette lighter into 3, plus 2 USB. Charging ports, all with individual on-off switches. It even has an LED voltage display so you can monitor your car battery in real time. Charge your phone, dash cam, GPS, and cooler all at once. No tangles, no waiting, compact, powerful, and built for every road warrior who runs out of outlets. New car holder for folding screen phones. If you're rocking a foldable phone, this one's a game changer. The 2025 folding screen magnetic car holder supports Z Fold and other big screen phones with 15-watt wireless fast charging built right in. It automatically clamps, rotates 360 degrees, and adjusts to your ideal viewing angle. Navigation, videos, or calls, all hands-free, all stable. Strong magnets, automatic grip, and a futuristic look that matches your high-tech vibe. Portable car air conditioning vent fan. No AC in the back seat? This little beast fixes that instantly. The portable vent clip on fan plugs right into your USB port and blasts out cool air the moment you hit the button. It clips onto any vent, rotates 360 degree, and features gradient color lighting for that ambient, futuristic glow. Perfect for backseat passengers, pets, or long road trips. No batteries, no noise, just smooth airflow and chill vibes all the way. LED, car interior lighting kit. End your drive with a little drama, the good kind. This LED interior light kit turns your cabin into a custom light show. With 4 USB-powered light strips, music sync, and millions of colors, you can match your ride's mood to your playlist. Want calm blues for night drives or wild reds for weekend cruises? You control it all from your phone. Installations plug and play, no wiring, no hassle. Bright, bold, and straight-up cinematic. This is the vibe upgrade your car deserves. And there you have it, 20 genius car gadgets from Temu that prove you don't need to spend big to drive smarter. From safety to comfort, cleaning to cool factor. Each one levels up your ride in its own way. Which gadget had you reaching for that add to cart button first? Drop your pick in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because here at Tronify Tech, we drop new gadget finds every week that make your drive more epic. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive smart, stay cool, and keep it Tronified.